I'm getting all of this hair out of my face today. I actually have them trimmed. Although I don't know what style. Some of you have only seen me with long hair, never seen me with short hair, but I've had different hairstyles before. I have the buzz cut, I had it faded on the side, and I had braid as well. But I've never actually had someone design a hairstyle based on my face shape. So I am super excited on getting rid of this thing. Look at this. This is only, what is it, a year and a half, maybe? A year of me not cutting my hair. So I'm going to Cam the barber. I don't know if you know him, but you probably came across some of his content. He's here local to the island of Oahu. I saw his video on TikTok. Actually, my wife saw him on TikTok and then sent it to me. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna go to him because he seemed like he knows his stuff really well. Double chin? No.
I'm already recording.
Oh, look around. It's pretty nice, no? In the corner, cutting hair. You really don't want to get your hair done here?
Not right now. I'm recording. Say what you're gonna say.
I'm just excited. I can't wait to get rid of this. It's so hot. And I can't wait to get rid of this. I don't even want to wear this.
I can't wait to see your beard hair is getting long. Oh, I'm so excited. You're gonna look great.
I think I've never gone to a quote-unquote professional barber. I've had all the generic haircuts in the past, but never someone who's good, I would say. Maybe one person, but
Seattle?
He's in town, no. I think a lot of Korean barbers. Vietnamese barber. Well, I used to go to Zay's barber.
Really?
In town, very close to school. He was pretty good, actually. He did pretty good. And he's half black and half Japanese.
Oh, interesting.
Thick hair.
Yes.
So it's up to you. I really don't know. I never had a stylist. I never had my own style.
So who the boss? He's the boss or she the boss? So it's all about like what she likes. What you like for him? You want to cut it off?
I feel like maybe some length at the top, but
Not too long. So I want to know a little bit. Because with this, you can do plenty things. You can do plenty things with them right now. With round face, I recommend try anything upward. So if anything have a fringe, it will be a big no-no. You know, because if you have bigger bag, so like that, very small. You want something more, you bring your favorite. From now, if you feel like you want to cut this over, or you want to whatever, let me know, tell me more. Because
I feel like definitely off the bat to take some off.
you want to taper, you want to cut it up, or you want to leave the bag.
What do you think, Love?
Oh, I would definitely want it to short hair. The short because it's too hot.
But you tired of this already.
Yeah.
So we're not 100% we don't care about the size. So now we don't care about the cup. The cup is more about the style. Bang, that's my childhood hip hop. Everybody know that. It's like bullshit.
Oh my gosh. He has a lot of hair.
Big one.
At one point, I had braids.
They have big bosses. What's make you want to cut your hair? What's the reason?
What's the reason I want to cut my hair? We're actually getting married, having a ceremony next month.
Oh, congratulations. You want to look good, yeah?
And I might come back all the time for this.
Let's go. Bye.
Do you want me to keep recording, Love?
No, you guys.
Okay. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god. That's already so different. Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
Alright.
Wow.
Alright, you see the haircut, Cam's artwork on the top of my head. Definitely gorgeous. Most importantly, my wife loves it, right? I was having a conversation with Cam while he was giving me the haircut. I find that we share similar experience as first generation immigrants in America, also as a business owner, also as a content creator, as he's huge on content, making content for his brand. And this is what I love about content creation. You get to meet people who has the same vision, who has the same driven personality, who understand the importance of content, of social media. And you get to see these people firsthand in their gifting, in their talent, doing the best stuff that they are created to do. So it is truly a privilege to see someone walking in their passion passion, walking in their calling. It's like watching a professional sport game, and you look at those athletes. He made it look so effortless to create a haircut like this, and his brand definitely shows that. So it inspires me as a creator on this journey to create more content and to live in my calling, to become a better communicator for my audience and for you guys, for the community out there. And the biggest difference between this guy, Cam, versus other barbers I've been to, he designed this for me. He knows my face shape. He styled the hair to fit my facial feature. Not everybody can do that. Everybody can cut hair. Not everybody knows how to style a haircut to someone's face feature. And that's the difference between a professional versus an amateur. A lot of people can make cards, but not a lot of people can make cards look good. Anyway, that's all I wanted to say. Some of y'all might be asking, why did I cut my hair? So October 6th is actually our wedding anniversary for me and my wife. We got eloped back then when we first got married, and we didn't have a ceremony. So what happened is we're gonna have a ceremony with our family and friends on October 6th. So I gotta look, presentable in a way. That's why I trim my hair. And also it's getting really hot. My hair grows out really fast. All that to say, I just want to give you a little update so you get used to my new look.